Okay, what we have here is a Giant Defy 1 2010 in very good shape. Got a 46 tooth chain ring down here. I'll turn it around in a little while, but the main attraction is the BBS02 Bafang 8-fun motor, 750 watt motor, and we've got down here, we've got 48 volt 11 amp hour Samsung 29E cell battery pack here, and also a down tube of the same kind, Samsung 29E 48 volt 11 amp hour battery pack. Your choice of either one. Right now it's set up for this backpack battery pack, which fits inside this small little backpack here and is a nice ride inside of a backpack. I much prefer it in a backpack as opposed to being right here on the down tube. It fastens here where your water bottle holder is. Up here we have the display, okay, and up here we have our toggle switches. Switch from PAS level 1, 2, and 3. I've disabled the PAS because the manufacturing program is horrible. So with PAS level 1 you have, with your throttle, you have very low level of throttle. 2 you have a little medium level throttle, and 3 you have full throttle. Okay, so in here you have your miles, you have your trip distance, then you can toggle between your trip, your time, your odometer, and right now we have a total of 100 miles on here. 100 miles, yep. And you've got up here your max speed, 38. Over here we have our throttle that I've rigged on here, and you just kind of hold on to the handle and you pull the throttle this way. If I pulled it now, it would jet forward. I don't want it to do that. And it's very handy, and you can pull it a little bit, halfway, or a lot. And yeah, I've fastened the toggle switch here, fastened that on. And up here we have this Cree light. I believe it's 9 watts of power. It's very bright. If it gets dark and you're riding, it is very, very bright. You won't have to worry about that. And back here we have a rear light. It flashes and it just turns on to a single beam. And over here we have our connectors. We have for our backpack battery, we have the XT60 connector and an extension cable that connects to the motor. And the connector up here is a XT90 anti-spark connector. And down here is where, right here is where the headlight connects into the battery pack. So you've got power to your headlight, and I've waterproofed everything with heat shrink tubing here and here and here. All the connections down here on the XT60s. We have a barrel adapter for our charger. We have a 3 amp 54.4 volt charger inside, so you can get a max of 54.4 volts out of a charge. The wheels are 700C size. Alright, so here's the other side. Get zoomed in here. Here's our 46 tooth chain ring. I've left the front derailleur on here to prevent the chain from coming off, and it works quite well. Here's our Shimano 105 derailleur. Very nice derailleur. Came with the bike. And here's our cassette. Let me get zoomed in so you can see. Cassette is in very good shape. Hardly any wear. I don't see any wear on there. It's very nice. It's a little dirty, but other than that, there you go. Giant Defy 1, 2010. Bafang VBS02, 750 watt kit with a 48 volt 11 amp hour battery. Your choice of down tube or backpack style. Road bike. That's it. It can go up to speeds of from 20 to 35, possibly 35 plus, depending on the weight and depending on the terrain and depending on how much pedaling you're doing. So that's that. Hope you enjoyed the video.